Good morning, my dear students. I am Gurmeet Singh, your English teacher. I hope you all are very healthy and fine. In today's video, we are going to continue our topic tenses. As you all know that in the previous two videos, we have covered two topics. One is present indefinite and another is present continuous. And today I am going to teach you about present perfect tense. Okay, my dear students, one thing you need to keep in mind that we use present perfect tense only in the condition when the work is completely finished or done. So, first of all, we will learn about affirmative variation. First we use subject, then we use has or have, then we use verb third, and in the last position we use object. I will give you two examples to make you understand. First one is he has done his homework. Second, have you eaten pizza? For example, this is our subject, this is auxiliary verb has, one from has had, and then we use verb third, and this is our object. I hope you understand. Now we are going to move to the further variation. What we call it? We call it negative. This rule is used to make a present perfect negative sentence. First we use subject, then we use has, have, then negation, then verb third, and at the last position we use object. Again, I will give you two examples. First, I have not eaten lunch. Second, she has not done her work. Again, according to the rules, we can judge a sentence. First subject, then one auxiliary from the two, then negation, and then verb third, and at the last position we use object. And now we are moving to third variation. Third variation is interrogative. As we discussed in the earlier videos, that whenever we transform one simple sentence into interrogative, we always use helping verb before the subject, and same is the case with this tense. We use has, have before subject, then we use verb third, and second last we use object, and at the last position we use question mark. Example, has he played football? Second, have they finished their work? So again, one auxiliary from two, then subject, verb third, played, verb third, and then object. Now, last but not the least, last variation, when we use interrogation plus negation in a same sentence. First we use has, have, then subject, then we use not, then we use verb third, and at second last we use object, and at the last position we use question mark. Example number 1. Have you not completed homework? Second, has he not eaten pizza? So these are the two examples. Okay, now one important note about has and have, because some of the students, they might have the confusion regarding has have. They don't know where to use has and where to use have. So my dear student, has when subject comes in the shape of third person singular, we use has with subject, and third person singulars are he, she, it, and any name. For example, he has, not have, he has done homework. Also, she has, it has. For example, any name. Ram has, Sham has, Gurmeet has. Any kind of name if we have, then we use has. And except these third person singulars, with all the others we always use have. So keep this thing in mind. So my dear students, I hope you enjoy this video, and I don't want to make my video too long. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.